Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain the reliability of the Maserati Ghibli. While it offers a luxurious experience, understanding its reliability is key. We'll cover common issues, maintenance tips, and what to consider before purchasing. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview, helping you make an informed decision about this distinctive Italian sedan. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to common issues, Ghibli owners frequently report electrical system malfunctions, such as unexpected battery drain or dashboard warnings. Infotainment system glitches and software errors are also noted. Additionally, some drivers experience transmission problems, including delays and rough shifting, particularly in earlier models. Brake system wear is another area that sometimes requires attention. To keep your Ghibli running smoothly, strict adherence to the manufacturer's service schedule is essential. This includes regular oil changes, fluid checks, and inspections. Always opt for genuine Maserati parts for any replacements to ensure compatibility and performance. Furthermore, an extended warranty can offer significant peace of mind, covering potential major repair costs beyond the factory warranty period. This can be a wise investment for a luxury vehicle. Ultimately, the Maserati Ghibli provides a unique blend of luxury, performance, and Italian style. While it delivers an exciting driving experience, potential owners should be aware that repair and maintenance costs can be higher compared to some other luxury sedans. For those considering a used Ghibli, a comprehensive pre-purchase inspection is strongly advised to identify any existing issues. This helps ensure you understand the vehicle's condition and potential future expenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.